Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man wala wa ba'd. So today I just want to mention a few words regarding Ikhlaas Trust, which is a registered charity established here in Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan. A charity that is known and trusted for its work in supporting the poor and the needy, caring for children, for women, for widows and orphans. So during the month of Ramadan, Ikhlaas Trust organizes iftar programs for individuals and families that are in need, ensuring access to food during this blessed month. Alongside this, ration packs are distributed throughout the year to vulnerable households, providing essential food and easing hardship for those in need. Alhamdulillah. Likewise, Ikhlaas Trust, through water-boring initiatives that are ongoing, Ikhlaas Trust has provided access to clean and reliable water. Thereafter, beyond emergency relief, Ikhlaas Trust supports long-term solutions through livelihood startup programs, helping individuals earn a living with dignity and sustainability. During flood emergencies, assistance was delivered in collaboration with CC Da'wah in the United Kingdom, providing financial support so families could purchase basic necessities and recover from loss. Here in Islamabad, we are close to completion of our masjid for the worship of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone, Masjid Ibn Taymiyyah, wherein the 5 daily prayers will be established, the Jum'ah, likewise durus, conferences, education for men and for women, for children, tahfidh al-Quran, and the local community. All of this, again, for those who donate, is sadaqah jariyah. So we ask that you give whatever you're able to give for the completion and upkeep of this masjid and to support this da'wah and to aid the poor and needy, those who are living in Pakistan. Barakallahu feekum. So we already received donations from the United Kingdom, from across Europe, from Canada, from the USA, from the Middle East, from the Gulf countries and elsewhere. And we are recommended by the mashayikh, by the students of knowledge and organizations across the world. So we ask that you give with confidence, seeking reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you for whatever you give. Wa jazakumullahu khairan, walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, wa sallallahu ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam.